Now, before we can actually display decision trees, we need a package called Graphviz installed on your system. And on the Mac, the easiest way to do that is through Homebrew. So if you don't already have Homebrew installed, go over to brew.sh here. And to install Homebrew, we're just going to copy all of this information here. Command-C, go to a terminal prompt, paste it in, Command-V, and run that. We'll hit return. You'll need to authenticate. And off it goes. All right, after a few minutes that did finish, and now we can just type in brew install Graphviz, just like that. All right, looks like we're in business. Let's go ahead and close this terminal window so we can be sure that we pick up the new environment next time. And that should be it. We should be all set to go now.